Hi traders! If you're just getting started with the XM app, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register and log into the app, step by step. You should already have the app downloaded. If not, check out our how to download the XM app tutorial. Once you open the app, you'll land on this screen. If you already have an email and password, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to register for an account, so click on Open an Account. To register, start off with your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Fill in an email. Fill in a password. Select the consent box and hit register. Lastly, head over to your inbox and verify your email. And that's it, you're now registered. From now on, all you need to do is log into the XM app using your verified email address and password. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.